Thank you. I wish to raise the veil of secrecy which has descended over the operation of the Irish Sea border. Before the implementation of this aspect of the laughingly called safeguarding the Union, it was possible to ask and discover the number of checks on goods coming into Northern Ireland. I asked such questions. I discovered, for example, in January there were 5,948 documentary and seal checks on agri-food. There were 6,095 on other goods. When I next asked, I was told that DAERA no longer was in charge following the implementation regulations, so they couldn't give the figures. And when Baroness Hoey asked the same question in the House of Lords, the government refused to answer, saying we don't disclose this information. So there has been a deliberate blackout now because these are protocol implementers who love darkness rather than light. And this is what the DUP has brought us. They haven't got rid of the Irish Sea border, but they've just hidden it from public scrutiny. What are they afraid of? Well, I suppose it's obvious. Being caught out in the lie that the Irish Sea border is gone. And now on top of all this, we have the gazumping of DAERA's powers by the Secretary of State on vast range of animal health issues, all part of the DUP deal. Yet in Farming Rife on Saturday, I read member of this House, William Irwin, denouncing this transfer of powers, no doubt in a press statement written by the same press office that on a daily basis defends and upholds the dud deal. The DUP needs to own what it has done here. And we need to have openness and transparency. A vast array of DEFRA powers have been removed from scrutiny in this House, from exercise in this House, because they want to be hidden from public view. And that happened because of directions issued by the Secretary of State, directions that haven't been published, directions that must be published. And I call on the DAERA Minister to publish each and every direction that has been issued, gazumping and taking away his powers. The public are entitled to know, and presently we are being held in total ignorance of matters that touch upon so many aspects of the daily lives of our people, particularly those in the farming community.
I call